नमस्कार. Bridge course Standard 7th Maths Day 37. Today we are see simple interest. Let's understand. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. A. The money deposited in the bank or the money lent by a bank to a borrower is called a principal. B. A rate of interest PCPA means gives amount of interest due on every 100 rupees for a period of 1 year. C. The period for which the amount deposited in the bank or taken from the bank is called a period. When we can deposit a money in the bank or take a money as a loan by a bank, the borrower money is called a principal. When we can take a money or deposited a money, there is a rate PCPA, that means per cent per annum. Every 100 rupees we can give a interest for every year. The period from which we can taken a money or deposited a money, that time is called a period. Let's practice. First question. Ishwari deposited rupees 50,000 in the bank for 6 years at rate PCPA. Write the following from this example. Deposited money means principal. 8 PCPA means rate and 6 year means period. So answer is principal is equal 50,000 rupees. Rate is equal 8% and period is equal 6 years. Question 2. Amit borrowed rupees 98,000 from the bank for 4 years at the rate 12 PCPA. Write the following from this example. Borrowed money means principal. 12 PCPA means rate and 4 years means period. So answer is principal is equal 98,000 rupees. Rate is equal 12%. Period is equal 4 years. See example. Ajit Rao took a loan of rupees 42,000 from a bank. If the interest rate is 10%, then what amount will we have to return to the bank at the end of the year? Here at the end of the year we can find the amount, but we can write a given information. Period 1 year, rate 10%, principal 42,000 rupees. First find the interest. Remember that interest increases in proportion to the principal and ratio of interest to principal remains constant. Let interest on principal 42,000 rupees be X rupees. Interest on principal 100 rupees is 10 rupees. Let us write the ratio into form of interest to principal in two ways. X out of 42,000 principal and 10 out of 100 principal. We can obtain an equation by cross multiplication. X multiply 100 is equal 10 multiply 42,000. We can find a value of X. We can exchange 100. It undergoes right side into dividation. 100 divided to 42,000 and remaining 420. Multiply 10. X is equal 10 multiply 420. X is equal 4,200. Interest is equal 4,200 rupees. Now we can find a amount. Amount means principal plus interest. Principal is 42,000 and interest is 4,200. Answer becomes 46,200. Therefore, amount is equal 46,200 rupees. Our word answer is he will have returned 46,200 rupees amount to the bank at the end of the year. Solve example first. At a rate of 10 PCPA, what would be the interest for 1 year on rupees 4,000? We can given a principal 4,000, rate 10% and period 1 year. Let us suppose that interest on principal rupees 4,000 is X rupees. 10 PCPA means on principal 100 interest is rupees 10. We can take a ratio of interest to principal in two forms. X out of 4,000 rupees principal is equal 10 out of 100 rupees principal. We can obtain an equation by cross multiplication. X multiply 100 is equal 10 multiply 4,000. We can find a value of X by exchanging 100 to the right side and it undergoes dividation. 100 divided to 4,000, answer become 40. Therefore, X is equal 10 multiply 40. X is equal 400. Therefore, interest is equal 400 rupees. We can write a word answer interest rupees 400 for 1 year. Question 2. Rao Sahib borrowed rupees 35,000 at 12 PCPA for a year. What amount will he have to return to the bank at the end of the year? We can first write the information. Principal 35,000 rupees, rate 12% and period is 1 year. We can find a amount. First we can find a interest to get a amount. Let us suppose interest on principal rupees 35,000 is X rupees. 12% means on principal 100 rupees interest is of 12 rupees. We can write the ratio of interest to the principal in two forms. X out of 35,000 rupees is equal 12 out of 100 rupees. We can obtain an equation by cross multiplication. X multiply 100 is equal 12 multiply 35,000. We can find the value of X is equal 12 multiply 35,000 and 100 can be exchanged and it undergoes dividation to the right side. We can strike two zeros and remaining 12 multiply 350. The multiplication answer is 4,200. Therefore, we get a interest. Interest is equal 4,200 rupees. Now we can find a amount. Amount formula is amount is equal principal plus interest. In this example, principal is 35,000 plus interest is 4,200. The answer of addition is 39,200. Therefore, amount is equal 39,200 rupees. We can write the word answer. He have to return to the bank at the end of year is amount 39,200 rupees. Solve question 3. Raghav give a loan of 8,000 rupees at a rate 9 PCPA to his friend. Then what amount he have get return at 1 year? We can find a information. Principal 8,000 rupees, rate 9%, period 1 year. We can find the amount. For that, we can first find the interest. Let interest on principal 8,000 rupees is X. 9% means on principal 100 rupees, interest is 9 rupees. We can find a ratio of interest to principal in two forms. X upon 8000 is equal 9 upon 100. We obtain an equation by cross multiplication. X multiply 100 is equal 9 multiply 8000. We can find a value of x by exchanging 100. It undergoes dividation to the right side. 9 multiply 8000 upon 100. We can strike a zeros and remaining 9 multiply 80. Answer of multiplication is x is equal 720. Therefore, interest is equal 720 rupees. We can find the amount. Amount is equal principal plus interest is equal 8000 plus 720. Answer of addition is 8720. Therefore, amount is equal 8720 rupees. We write a word answer. Raghav get amount 8720 rupees return at 1 year. Thank you.